My name is Pastor James Nwachukwu Bekile. I'm a bona fide son of Igbanke. I'm from Olije. We are here for Akokowa socio-cultural group of Igbanke unity. We want to first of all acknowledge the presence of our kings in Igbanke. One of our kings is Olije, Lucky Osunde III. Eze of Ota, Dr. J.C. Isito. Eze of Ake, Chukwueku Igbenedion, Igbenoba. Eze of Omoloa, Edobo Waifo. Eze of Igbonto, Moses Omorodion. Eze of Idumodi, Blessing Igebo. Our resolution for the suspension of Ezes of Igbanke communities. We, the people of Akekowa, socio-cultural group of Igbanke, and Igbanke generally, hereby stated that Igbanke is not Benin. We, the people of Igbanke, received a letter from Benin Traditional Council, headed by the Oba of Benin, Oba Eba Ewere II, suspending our ancient traditional monarchs of Igbanke, known as Ndeze. The late Oba of Benin, who passed on April 2016, Oba Opolopolo Eredua I, of blessed memory, was the person who came to persuade the Ezes of Igbanke to bear enogi, because every other community rulers in Orion local government area are bearing such. Oba Eredua came to Igbanke in the year 1982 to plead with the kings of the land to answer enogi. Oba Eredua knows fully well that the Igbanke kings are called Eze or Obi, but his purpose was a subtle one. Why he was saying it to sound like all traditional rulers in the Orion local government to have one common name, his ulterior motive was to deceive the kings of Igbanke and the people of Igbanke. Don't understand, and people of Igbanke don't understand or speak Benin. They didn't quickly rebuke him, the Oba Eredua. We, the people of Igbanke, are challenging the Benin traditional monarch to tell the whole world who is that Benin prince that is appointed as a Nogi in Igbanke land. And in what year did that Benin prince came to the geographic location known today as Igbanke? But before then, our traditional rulers are known and called Eze, while the elderly men are called Ogele, Okpara, Uku, Ndinche, and Eze. Also in Igbanke, we have the traditional priesthood system, which is headed by Eze Nwa Obu, Ndeze Dibia. It is not acceptable to the people of Igbanke for another king to issue suspension or removal of the kings of Igbanke, because the throne of kingship in Igbanke is hereditary. Our kings are born, kings are not appointed, they are not appointees or chiefs. Oba of Benin, they are not appointees of the Oba of Benin. Igbanke is an autonomous community headed by 6 kings, which are not appointed by any Oba of Benin, either presently or before. And they are not Benis. The people of Igbanke have been known in time past as Western Igbos, Midwest Igbos, Bende Igbos, Eka Igbo. In Igbanke, we speak Eka language, which the people of Benin neither speak nor understand. There is no similarity between both language. Igbanke shared common boundary with Eka communities in the north with Ekmo and Eka community in Ugwebe local government in Edo State. In the south with Agbo and Alisimie, another Eka community in the Kasa local government of Delta. In the east with Mbiri, Eka community in Eka local government, Eka East local government area of Delta State. While in the west, there is a natural boundary of body of waters, river, that separate the Igbanke land from Ogada, a Benin community in Umuode local government area of Edo State. Now, we are calling for the intervention of the National Assembly, the Senate President, His Excellency, Godswill Akpabio, and the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Tajuddin Abbas, for their intervention, because we have been so oppressed, subjugated by Benin expansionists, whose mission is to take over our ancient ancestral lands, change our language, culture, and traditions. We are minority of the minorities of Edo State, just as Benin are also minority of the minority in Nigeria, which the Nigerian Constitution does not give them, Benin National Council, any right or power to suspend or remove traditional rulers or kings of another community, either in Edo State or in Nigeria at large. The Oba of Benin is not in any position to also appoint any other person or persons as a king or kings in the Igbanke land.